Well, hello there. How are you today? In today's video, I am going to be bringing you a sweet potato chickpea curry. This dish is loaded with lots of great flavors. If you like those Indian flavors with just a little bit of heat, this is the dish for you. So let's get out in the kitchen and make this, shall we? I'm going to be serving my curry over a bed of rice, so I'm just getting that ready. This recipe comes together pretty quickly, so I want to have everything ready to go. And that starts with cooking my rice first. Next, we are going to drain and rinse 1 can of chickpeas. You just want to rinse it off really good. Make sure the water runs clear and there are no more bubbles. And now we're going to move on to our prep work. We are going to peel and cube up 2 medium-sized sweet potatoes. You don't want your pieces to be too large here. You want them nice bite-sized pieces. And for this recipe, it's important to get the prep work all done and complete because it comes together very quickly. We're going to slice up and dice up 1 medium-sized onion. And then we're going to do the same thing with 1 red bell pepper. You can pretty much use any color you want or any kind of pepper you want. I just chose red bell pepper. It's going to add nice color to the dish when it is finished. It adds a nice mellow flavor too. I'm also going to be microblading up a tablespoon of fresh ginger. If you don't have fresh ginger, you can use the stuff that comes in the tube or a paste. And if you don't have a microplaner, you can always just finely chop up the ginger. Need 3 garlic cloves, minced. And again, if you don't have fresh garlic, you can always use the jarred. No harm in some shortcuts. And now into a large skillet, we're going to put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You want to do this on medium to medium-high heat. You're going to add your onions, peppers, and sweet potatoes, and you're going to let those cook off for about 3 to 5 minutes until the onions are translucent and the sweet potatoes are starting to soften. Now it's time to add in the ginger and the garlic. And you're going to let that cook for about 30 seconds or so, just until it starts to get fragrant. You don't want to let it go too long or else it'll start to burn. Add in the chickpeas and give that a good stir and let that cook for about another minute or so. And now it's time to add the spices. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin, and 1 tablespoon of turmeric. This is also the time where if you wanted to add some red pepper flakes for a little more heat, this would be the time to do it. You're also going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper. Give that a nice stir and let those seasonings start to cook off a little bit. Let them release some of their oils. Kitchen is starting to smell amazing. Now it's time to add in 1 can of coconut milk I am using unsweetened coconut milk. You can use sweetened if you'd like. It'll add a little bit of sweetness to the dish. I chose not to this time. Give that a good stir. Let that cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. You're just looking for your sweet potatoes to get fully cooked and for it to thicken up a little bit. And just so it doesn't get too thick, I'm adding half a can of water. And as you can see, it's already starting to thicken up, and we've got about 2 to 3 minutes to go, and this is going to be complete. It's the perfect vegetarian dish. I'm plating up my rice. And I'm going to put a couple scoops of our sweet potato chickpea curry on there. And I'm going to garnish it with some fresh cilantro. And look at that. This is ready to enjoy. Okay, it's taste test time. This is my favorite part. This smells so delicious. I have a feeling these flavors are just going to be phenomenal. Sweet potato chickpea curry. Oh wow. That curry flavor comes out perfect. That cumin gives it just a little bit of heat. The cilantro adds a little bit of bite. This is really good. Please give this recipe a try. It's a little something different. It's perfect for those meatless Monday days that you want to try and do. And it's good for you. So, I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. That would be amazing. And as always, I hope you all have a fabulous week. Please check out my videos that are listed over here. And I will see you in the next video. Have a great week. Bye.